Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to download Pokemon Home in Nintendo Switch. First, open eShop. Select the Nintendo eShop icon on your Switch home screen. Search. Use the search bar to find Pokemon Home. Download. Select the app and choose Free Download. Launch. Once downloaded, launch Pokemon Home from your home screen. Initial setup. Follow the on-screen prompt to link your Nintendo account, agree to terms, and connect with your mobile app if desired. Some key considerations. Cost. The basic app is free to download and use. A paid premium plan is available for extra storage and features. Linking. To move Pokemon from mobile Pokemon Geo, you must link the same Nintendo account used on your Switch to the mobile version. Compatibility. Pokemon Home works with Pokemon Scarlet, Violet, Legends, Arceus, Brilliant Diamond, Shining Pearl, Sword, Shield, Let's Go, Pikachu, Let's Go, Eevee, and Pokemon Bank. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.